Hello guys, good morning! It's my day off! Yes! No work! No work! So ako'y mag-model dito sa kitchen habang ako'y naglalaba! Ilabas ko ang aking labahan at magsalang uli! Maglaba ng mga damit, mga towels! Kasi every Friday, I change our towel. So, here I am doing washing. I haven't finished my breakfast. Oh my God. I'm having my breakfast. I haven't finished. Look. Let's have breakfast, guys. Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon. How's your weekend going? Me, I'm enjoying my weekend at home. Ito, nandito naman ako sa bahay. Mag-fashion dito sa harapan ng washing machine. As you can see, guys, nakasandal si Lola. Dahil ako'y mag-fashion. That's my breakfast. Ako'y sumayaw. Ito guys, kain. Let's eat. Yummy. Inom din ng tubig kasi nauwaw ako. Bakit alisin ang labahan at magsalang pa ng iba. Laba more! Laba more! Work! Non-stop! Yan, lagyan natin ng linor para mabango ang labahan. Yan. Gumagamit ba kayo niyan, guys? Yan. I use this one. Para ang mga labahan ay mabango. It smells fresh. Let's put it on. Hot wash 60 wash. Yan. So, habang naglalaba yung washing machine, ipagpatuloy ko ang aking pagmomodel. Ganyan lang guys ang buhay. Monday to Friday, nagtatrabaho, Monday to, from 8 till 5. Yan ang work ko. Hindi ito skirt guys ha. This is a short. This is a short, oh. It's nice. See? Mali pala yung pagtatali ko. Di ba? Oh. Pinindit ko ang washing machine. Thank you for watching, guys.